Hello everyone. Welcome to In Videos. In this video you achieve knowledge about flower beds, design in backyard and small design decorations for our garden. So please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Creating stunning flower beds in landscaping can transform any outdoor space into a vibrant and inviting environment. Whether you are working with a small garden or a large yard, the key is to carefully plan and select plants that complement each other in the overall design of your landscape. One popular approach is to use a mix of annuals and perennials to ensure that your flower beds have color throughout the growing season. Annuals provide a burst of color and are typically more adaptable to changing conditions, while perennials come back year after year and can provide a more stable foundation for your garden design. Choosing plants based on their blooming periods can also help you achieve a continuous display of flowers, such as pairing early bloomers like tulips and daffodils with mid-season flowers such as peonies and daylilies, and late bloomers like asters and chrysanthemums. This staggered blooming helps to keep your flower beds looking fresh and lively throughout the seasons. Consider incorporating a mix of different plant heights and textures to create visual interest. Tall plants like hollyhocks and delphiniums can serve as a backdrop, while shorter plants like marigolds and pansies can fill in the foreground. Using a combination of foliage textures such as the fine leaves of ferns and the broad leaves of hostas can add depth and variety to the bed. Adding elements like ornamental grasses can also provide movement and contrast. Their airy plumes can sway with the breeze and bring a dynamic element to the garden. In addition to plant selection, the shape and layout of your flower beds can greatly impact their overall appearance. Curved beds often feel more natural and flowing compared to straight-edge designs, and they can help to soften the hard lines of walkways or structures. Raised beds or tiered flower beds can add dimension and make gardening easier by reducing the need for bending and kneeling. Creating a focal point within your flower beds can also enhance their appeal. This could be achieved with a striking plant, a garden ornament, or a small sculpture that draws the eye and creates a visual anchor. Color schemes play a crucial role in the design of flower beds. Selecting a color palette that complements your home and garden can create a harmonious look. You might choose to use a single color for a monochromatic effect or combine complementary colors to create vibrant contrasts. Using color theory to guide your selections can help ensure that the flowers work well together and contribute to the overall mood you want to achieve. For a more subtle approach, using different shades of the same color can provide a soothing and cohesive appearance. Soil preparation and maintenance are essential for the health of your flower beds. Ensuring that the soil is well drained and enriched with organic matter will help your plants thrive. Incorporating compost or well-rotted manure can improve soil fertility and structure, and performing regular weeding and mulching can help to keep your flower beds looking their best. Mulch not only helps to retain moisture and suppress weeds but can also contribute to the overall aesthetic by providing a uniform background that highlights your plants. Watering practices are another important aspect of maintaining healthy flower beds. Ensuring that plants receive adequate moisture without becoming waterlogged is crucial. A consistent watering schedule tailored to the needs of your plants can help to promote robust growth and blooming. Drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses can be particularly effective in delivering water directly to the root zone while minimizing evaporation and runoff.